What is going on, guys? It is currently like, what time is it? It's currently 10:15, August 1st. So I actually just got my Corsa Performance exhaust for the Mustang. Here it is right here. Guys, I ordered these Corsas. I got the Corsa Sport with the X-Pipe, full system, everything. I ordered this back beginning of July, or middle of July. I want to say it was like July. It was like beginning of July. I think it might have been like the first Sunday of July, somewhere around there. I ordered it. Corsa had been telling me that they had been on back order. It was going to be about 4 to 6 weeks out before they could ship them out, just due to COVID. I didn't know COVID that was that bad, I guess wherever they came from, but evidently so. But regardless, I finally got them. It took forever, but finally got them in. So I'm actually going to unbox these guys, because soon we will be throwing them on the Mustang, because right now the car currently is sitting. It came, when I bought it from the auction, it came with the racing version of the MBRP Pro Racing exhaust, and it has an H-pipe connected to it. Yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this Corsa, and let's kind of see what it looks like, because I've heard Corsas. I've heard the system on my buddy. He had a 2016 before he totaled it, and he had the Corsa, Corsa everything, headers all the way down to the exhaust. In a previous video, or when I was recording, I stated that I was trying to get the Corsa headers. However, apparently Corsa, there's some type of regulation or law now that they're cracking down on these performance shops that make headers and things of that nature. So unfortunately, I was not able to get Corsa headers for the car. So I ended up picking up a set of Texas Speed headers from Parker Performance over in Florida. So those, and they sent me some exhaust hinges and things, connections that will pair up with the Corsa system that I have here. So it'll all come together seamlessly, and I'm sure it'll all sound really good. When I was shopping for the headers, I did want to just stay with Corsa everything. However, that's not what it turned out to be. But regardless, majority of the headers sound the same. So but they're just a pain in the ass to install. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's see what we got right here. Ford Mustang important. Where's the instructions and the warranty? Oh, great packaging. Wow. That is a big girl right there. Y'all have no idea how excited I am. Damn, this is a bit kind of heavy. I am so excited. Y'all have no idea how excited I am. Because I've heard, like I said, I've heard this system in person. Let's go ahead and take this off. Ow. This thing's kind of heavy. Is that now? I did get the polished tips. I may eventually later down along the line go with the black tips, but for right now I did go with the polished tips. Look at the welds on this. That is sick. And my car doesn't have the active exhaust as well, so I'm sorry, neighbors, but it is what it is. They got the rings. Here is the beauty right here. Hopefully y'all can see that. Corsa. So yep, this is the system itself. And I, like I said, cannot wait to install this and hear this. I'm so excited. Hopefully the car will be up and running soon, so we can go ahead and throw this bad boy on here and, you know, get one step closer to getting to that 500 wheel horsepower. But y'all, I'm so excited. Like, oh my gosh. I've wanted the Corsas for so long. I wanted a Mustang for so long, honestly. So it's honestly a dream come true to be able to afford to get that car, even though it's not in the perfect condition right now. But eventually it'll get there, and I'm doing basically every single thing that I want to do to the car. To be able to have one that's my own and be able to afford, you know, everything that I want to do to that car, it's honestly a dream come true. You know, hard work definitely pays off. So anybody who's watching this, you know, never stop chasing your goals and your dreams. You know, obviously this is just the beginning for me. This is like my actually first sports car. You know, and it's definitely not going to be the last. You know, I'm not going to tell y'all I do have some other things in the works. This is definitely not going to be my forever sports car. I'm going to keep it for a little while, have my fun with it, build some content for the channel, and then, you know, once I have had my feel, I'm going to trade the car and we're going to get into something else. I'm not going to say what yet, but I do have some other cars that I have in mind. Because the way the market is right now, you know, even though it is a salvage title on the car, but, you know, the car will be in mint condition, you know. Plus it'll have a brand new engine basically in it as well, so I feel like, yes, it'll kind of depreciate the car, but at the same time, getting a brand new engine, starting that all over again, I feel like the value of that car will still hold and maintain, especially with the way the market is right now. So, like I said, I probably plan on keeping the car for a little while. I don't know necessarily how long, you know, only the future will hold, depending on how things go in life, the things that I have planned. But if everything goes according to plan, you know, we may even pro charge the car or supercharge. Definitely not going to twin turbo, but maybe pro charge or supercharge. I'm not entirely sure yet, but you know, you guys will just have to wait and find out.
Yeah, feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.